Best eyeliners. The demand for waterproof eyeliners continues to rise as makeup lovers seek smudge-proof, all-day wear formulas that survive sweat, humidity, and long days. Just like mechanical keyboards offer reliability and precision for typists and gamers, great eyeliners offer control, longevity, and definition. This list Revlon Color Stay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner, Smudge-proof, eye makeup with built-in sharpener, 201 black 2-pack. Revlon's Color Stay Waterproof Eyeliner delivers long-lasting wear that doesn't budge, even in humid conditions. This pack of 2 ensures you're always stocked with a reliable liner that glides on smoothly for bold or subtle looks. The built-in sharpener makes it easy to maintain a fine tip, perfect for precise lines or smoky effects. The formula is ophthalmologist tested and safe for sensitive eyes. Users love how it stays in place all day without smearing, fading, or needing touch-ups. Whether you're heading to work or dancing the night away. List 2. NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner, Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, Black, Vegan Formula. The NYX Epic Ink Liner is a cult favorite, and for good reason. This waterproof liquid eyeliner is beloved for its intensely pigmented formula and ultra-precise brush tip that delivers sharp, clean lines with ease. Whether you prefer a thin lash line or dramatic winged liner, the flexible brush adapts to your movement for a smooth application. It's also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. List 9. Revlon Color Stay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner, Smudge-proof, eye makeup with built-in sharpener. This single-pack version of the Revlon Color Stay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner offers all the same standout features. Long wear, smooth application, and a convenient built-in sharpener. Ideal for everyday use. It glides on effortlessly without tugging and holds up well through daily wear, workouts, or summer heat. It's perfect for lining the waterline or upper lash line and can be smudged out before drying for a soft, smoky look. This eyeliner proves you don't need a liquid formula to get high performance from a pencil. List number Maybelline Unstoppable Waterproof Mechanical Black Eyeliner Pencil. Easy to apply, smooth glide. Maybelline's Unstoppable Mechanical Eyeliner Pencil is a favorite among drugstore beauty fans. With its twist-up design, there's no sharpening required. Just roll up and apply. The waterproof formula is smudge-resistant and offers reliable wear from morning to night. It applies smoothly without skipping and is suitable for lining both the upper and lower lash lines. It's also ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. List 5. Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner, Ultra-fine brush, waterproof, 16-hour, long-lasting wear. For those who love a bold cat eye or sharp graphic lines, the Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner is a hidden gem. With its ultra-fine brush tip, you can achieve incredibly precise looks that last up to 16 hours without smudging or flaking. The waterproof formula stands up to sweat, rain, and tears, making it a top pick for events or long days. Despite its long wear,